It is common knowledge by now that agrotech startups have started penetrating the Indian agricultural sector. But let's look forward to some new innovations that we can expect from the agrotech community in the year 2021. I am Shantanu Udasi and this is Down the Rabbit Hole. AI and machine learning can help improve crop yield prediction through real-time sensor data and visual analytics gathered from drones. The amount of data being captured by smart sensors and drones providing real-time video streaming gives agricultural experts an entirely new data set that they have never had access to before. It is now possible to combine in-ground data sensor of moisture, fertilizer and natural nutrient levels to analyze growth patterns for each crop over time. Machine learning is perfect technology to combine massive data sets and provide constraint-based advice for optimizing yields. We should also look forward to the introduction of a process called yield mapping. Yield mapping is an agricultural process that relies on machine learning algorithms to find patterns in large number of data sets and also to predict its orthogonality in real time. All of this is invaluable for crop planning. It's possible to know the potential yield rates of a given field before a vegetation cycle is ever started. Using a combination of machine learning techniques to analyze 3D mapping, social condition data from sensors, and drone-based data of soil color, agricultural specialists can now predict the potential soil yields for a given crop. A series of flights are completed to get the most accurate data set possible. A lot of large-scale agricultural operations are pioneering drone data that is combined with on-ground real-time sensor data to improve pest management. Using infrared camera data from drones combined with sensors on field that can monitor plants' relative health levels, agricultural teams using AI can predict and identify pest infections before they occur. An example of this is how the UN is working in conjunction with PwC to evaluate data palm orchards in Asia for potential pest infestations. Machine learning and AI will optimize the right mix of biodegradable pesticides and will minimize their application on only the affected areas. This will decrease the cost and increase yields. By using intelligent sensors combined with visual data streams from drones, agricultural AI applications can now detect a planting area's most infected areas. Using supervised machine learning algorithms, they can then define the optimal mix of pesticides to reduce diseases that are spreading further and infecting healthy crops. Price forecasting of a crop based on yield rates that will help predict the total volume produced will be invaluable in predicting pricing strategies for a given crop. Understanding yield rates and the quality level of crops help agricultural firms, cooperatives and farmers better negotiate for the best possible price for their harvest. Considering the total demand for a given crop to determine if the price elasticity curve for a given crop is inelastic, unitary or highly elastic defines what the pricing strategy will be. Knowing this data alone saves agricultural businesses millions of dollars a year in lost revenue. Finding out leaks in irrigation, optimizing the entire irrigation system, and measuring how frequent irrigation can improve crop yield rates are all areas in which AI will be very helpful moving forward. Water is the scarcest resource in many parts, especially in the communities that rely most on agriculture as their core business. Being efficient in using it can mean the difference between a farm or agricultural operation staying profitable or not. Linear programming is often used to calculate the optimal amount of water a given field or a crop will need to reach an acceptable yield level. Supervised machine learning algorithms are ideal for ensuring field and crops get enough water to optimize yields without wasting any in the process. Monitoring the livestock's health, including their vital signs and activity levels, is one of the fastest growing aspects of AI and machine learning in agriculture. Understanding how every type of livestock reacts to diet and boarding conditions is invaluable in understanding how they can best treat it for the long term. Using AI and machine learning to understand what keeps daily cows contented and happy producing more milk is essential. For many farms that rely on cows and livestock, this area opens up entirely new insights into how farms can be more profitable. So that's about it. That's as far as we are going to go down the rabbit hole. Please make sure you leave your feedback, opinions and thoughts in the comments down below. Please like, subscribe and click on that bell icon. You know how it goes, so that you never miss any other update from Analytics India magazine.